So, you live outside the US, but you really need a US phone number, right? Well, you're in the right place. We are going to walk through the exact step-by-step process to get a Google Voice number working no matter where you are on the globe.
I mean, how many times has this happened to you? You're trying to sign up for some cool US-based service, and then, bam, you're completely stuck because it's asking for a US phone number.
And then you see this message. So frustrating, right? Well, guess what? There's a totally reliable way to get past this. But first, let's just quickly get our heads around why it's happening in the first place.
Okay, so Google's block really just boils down to two simple things. First, your IP address. That's like your digital passport. It instantly tells them you're not physically in the US. And second, your Google account itself is probably registered in your home country. So to get our number, we got to solve both of these problems.
So how do we do that? Well, it all starts with getting the right tools for the job. Let's go over your essential toolkit, the 3 things you'll need to have ready before we even start.
All right, you only need 3 things. First up, a premium VPN. And listen, this is important. The free ones just aren't going to cut it for this. Don't even try. Second, you'll need a fresh incognito browser window. And third, an SMS verification service. Something like smscodes.io will work perfectly.
And yeah, speaking of that SMS service, let's talk money. We're talking about $2, maybe a little more. It's just a one-time fee to get the verification codes we're going to need. Honestly, it's a super small investment for a permanent US number.
Okay, this next part is so important. Do not miss this. Before you do anything else, you have to go into your VPN's extension settings and make sure you've toggled on Allow and Incognito. I'm serious, if you miss this one little setting, the whole thing just won't work.
Okay, toolkit ready? Awesome. Let's get to work. We're going to start by creating a brand new US-based Google account. This is how we bypass that first big block.
Now you've got to follow these steps exactly. First, pop open that new incognito window and fire up your VPN. Make sure it's connected to a US server. Then, head over to Google and create a totally fresh account. When it asks you for a phone number to verify, and it will, that's when you grab a temporary number from your SMS service. Just copy and paste that number in, and then enter the code they send you on the website.
And bam, just like that, you've cleared the first major hurdle. See, by using a US IP and verifying with a temporary US number, you've just created a Google account that, as far as Google is concerned, belongs to someone in the United States. This is the magic key that unlocks everything else.
All right, now for the part you've been waiting for, claiming your actual US number. Now that Google sees you as a US user, you can finally get that permanent number.
So, with your new US account, just head straight to the Google Voice page. You can search for a number by city or area code. Now, listen, your first choice might not have any numbers available. Don't panic. It happens. Just pick a nearby city from the list they give you and choose a number that you like.
Okay, you've picked your number, but hold on, we are not quite done yet. Google is going to ask for one more verification. It needs to link this new Google Voice number to what it thinks is your existing US phone. This step is super important.
So head back over to your SMS verification service. This time, you're going to get a new temporary number, but make sure you specifically select the option for Google Voice. Paste that new number into the prompt, wait for the code to show up on the website, type it in, and hit verify.
All right, you did it. You have the number. But whatever you do, please do not stop here. This final setup is absolutely crucial. If you skip this part, your number just plain won't work for calls. Okay, so in your Google Voice settings on the website, not the app yet, find the Calls section. There are 2 really important settings here, call forwarding and always use my phone to place calls. You must disable both of them. Turn them off. This stops Google from trying to route calls to that temporary number we used, which, is long gone.
Next up, go ahead and download the Google Voice app on your phone. Make sure your VPN is still on and that you're logged into your new US account. Now, dive into the app settings and find the call preferences. You want to set it to Prefer Wi-Fi and Mobile Data. This is the magic switch. It tells Google to route all your calls over the internet, completely skipping traditional phone carriers.
And that is it. You've done it. Your new US number is fully functional, it's configured correctly, and it's ready to make and receive calls and texts from literally anywhere in the world, all through the app.
So what did all that work just get you? Well, let's break it down. You now have a permanent, honest-to-goodness US phone number. You get free calls to anyone in the US and Canada, you can finally get those verification codes for US-only services, and you can get into all those platforms that used to be blocked for you.
To put it simply, you can now do everything that wasn't possible without the US phone number. It's a total game changer.
You know, this really does open up a whole new world of possibilities. So I guess the only question left is, now that those geo restrictions are a thing of the past, what's the first US-based service you're going to sign up for?